Alright, hello again. Yeah, another vlog. Literally 10 minutes ago we were just at Dudley Zoo, which is only 5 miles just up the road. Like I said in the last video, there is a lot of smaller parks and coasters I still need to get on, and one of them is here at Sandwell Park. Again, it's another caterpillar, like I did say in the other video, just 5 miles away from where we were before, so we thought might as well come here. It's cost us 40p for an hour to park. That's not too bad. So it's basically a country park. There's a big pond up there with swans on it. You can hire bicycles and things. There's tennis courts. There's this massive park here. There's a children's amusement park. There's also climbing frame stuff around here, which we'll show you. We won't be here very long, and it won't be a huge vlog at all. It's literally just a coaster credit. I want to collect my coaster credits, and why not? It's literally took us 5 minutes to get here from Dudley Zoo. So like I've said again in other videos, if there is something else in the same area, you might as well come and spend a whole day and do 2 things at once. So here's your sign for it anyway. It's on the roller coaster database as it's just a caterpillar. I'll show you when we get there. It looks brand new as well. Open weekends and every day. Again, I think it's a seasonal place. Oh, see what's here. There's a few rides. There's no Ferris wheel now. Ah, it's not. Oh, is there? Oh, beautiful husky puppy back there. So you got your little zorbs. It's just very similar to Billy and Acrodome that we went to. Just a small amount of rides really, but it's something to do. Very small and very old. I think this place has been here a while. Walking up to this, I thought it was a ghost, like some sort of ghost train, but it's not. It's just a well, tin can alley and some little duck hoops. You got the little crazy cottage. Done a few of them before. 2 tokens per person. Got your inflatable slides. You got the chair swing again for the kids. Tokens over there. Kiddies rides, 1 token. I'm just reading the sign over there. And you got your bungees and your crazy caterpillar. So I'll get a token for that. Don't know how much it is. Can't really see any signs for it. But yeah, I'll get some tokens for the coaster and get on there. Like I said, literally only a few minutes this vlog. As I'm looking at the timer on the GoPro, it's only 4 minutes up to now really. But I might as well come and show you. It's another video in it, it's an extra vlog. She's got the tokens. How much was it?
It's 80p a token.
80p a token. Oh, there we are, it's here. 1 token, 80p, mini roller coaster, 2 tokens. So that's yeah, £1.60. Lisa had to tell me my maths is terrible. Well, yeah, it's not bad. Not a bad little setup really. Looks alright. So I got on the the second caterpillar of the day. The last one was pretty good actually. I think this is brand new. Looking at the roller coaster database, just mind if you're got new shoes on. It's quite muddy around here. I don't think there's any staff. Oh, entrance here. Oh, she's just over there. Yeah, the crazy caterpillar. Oh, giving us a push. Here we go, caterpillar. Back row again. Oh, oh. like this one's got the same trick track system as the other one, where it wobbles side to side. Oh no, just up and down on this one. Here we go. Woo! Whee! Watch your head. Little boy here banged his head on the back. Oh, watch it. Careful. Special. Oh. There we go. Woo! Yeah, again, yay! Full lap special. Brilliant. Oh! Oh, the chain stopped. Chain stopped, yeah, full lap special this one. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Ah! Yeah, not a bad little caterpillar was that. I've done hundreds of these now, honest to God. I've lost count of how many I've actually done of caterpillars. Yeah, I was mentioning about the bar as well. It didn't. She said there's a lot of adults that it won't go down on. It's just basically for the kids' safety, and there is a seat belt as well for the even smaller children. But yeah, not bad. Got on it all right. Fairly smooth. Not much else you can say about a caterpillar, really, is there? But yeah, that was it. Well, that was the park. I seriously can't really go on anything else. There's a little land train just here as well. Just have a walk through the thingy here, rope course thingy, show you that, and then we're going to get something to eat. Yeah, there's not really much else to show you around here, really. Just a very short video, to be honest. Yeah, it's just a play park for the kids, really. Obviously, I can't really go in there and start filming stuff. He's waving. And then over at the top there, you've got the swans and the bike ride stuff as well. There's also an ice cream van. But yeah, not too bad. Something to do for an hour or so, isn't it? The park's not too bad. Get yourself down here, get on the coaster. That's it, really. Just a very short random vlog. Carried on from the last one that we've done at Dudley Zoo. Make sure you check out those ones. Yeah, should be at a major theme park soon enough. Thorpe, Chessington, we don't really know yet. Don't really plan anything, to be honest. People do message me quite often and go, where are you at this weekend, or what are you doing? We don't know. We just get up and just go somewhere. You know, I work Saturdays as well. We both work during the week, so we, you know, unless we book a holiday or time off, we can't physically get to any of the parks during the week. Oh, there's a parakeet there. Wow, green parakeet like you get in London. Well, yeah, that was it really. So hope you enjoyed this very short vlog, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye for now.